guys, today I am making a miniature fridge. This fridge is made from cardboard and has no hot glue. So, shall we get started? First, I cut cardboard to this measurements. 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 6 pieces. First, take 9 by 5 centimeter piece. Then take 9 by 15 centimeter piece, and then I would just note down these measurements. I'm sticking the 9 by 5 centimeter pieces, and I'm sticking the double stuck one in the bottom, not in the middle, like this. Then take paper and fold it like 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3.6, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3.6. You get it. And then glue it like this. Then stick paper to this piece and make 2. Next, take metallic paper and trace your fridge like this. Do it to any color of metallic paper you want. Add tags in the end. And cut it. Fold it where there's pencil lines. And cut the tags like this. Don't cut the tags fully, just cut one side of it. Glue the metallic paper to the fridge. Next, cut a cardboard piece with this measurement. Stick white paper. Then we are going to cut out metallic paper and stick it to the middle of the fridge door that we are going to make. Like this, not in the side. Cut the tags as shown. Then glue the cardboard tags. I hope this is not that confusing. I'm using clips to hold it up. Next, I'm gluing the metallic paper together. I applied glue in the sides, but I haven't shown in the video, so glue all the metallic paper. Now we're making the side rack, so draw this measurement and cover it in paper and fold it in half. Make 2 of these. Next, I'm taking this plastic piece for the vegetable tray, but use this template to make your own. This plastic piece just so happened to fit my fridge, surprisingly. Stick the tray together with plastic tape. Take a plastic piece and cover the sides with paper. Next, I'm writing freezer with white pen and I'm gluing a foam sheet handle. I'm using tape to stick the door. I'm gluing a foam sheet handle to the fridge door. I'm attaching the door to the fridge part with tape. Yay! We're finally done! This craft was actually really fun for me, and I had a lot of fun making the fridge. I filled mine with all the groceries I have. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. See you guys next time. Bye!